I wish you could actually take the strap off.
And then just hold it as a top handle.
Exactly. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just getting my morning coffee and there's like a huge demonstration here in London. But yeah, I just want to say hi quickly. We're gonna wait for somebody else now and then we're gonna start our day. Let's have a quick look at what they have in Fenwick. This is the what goes around comes around section. Last time they didn't have a lot, but guys, they got a lot of new Hermes bags. Oh wow, a lot of golden beauties. Look at that. And they're in still pretty good condition, right? This is beautiful gold Epsom leather. Wow. What do you prefer, Togo or Epsom? Also guys, if we are here now, I can just give you an outfit of the day. So I've never actually worn this dress, even though I already have it in my wardrobe for like a year. I don't know why I never wore it, but today it's really hot again and I thought, why not? It also goes really well with my new little beauty, right? I like it. Okay, oh my god, even more Birkins. A lot of gold beauties that are looking for a new home. So, have I ever seen this color before? I think I haven't, to be honest. Yeah, let me know which one you liked. Look at that, guys. We have the Lanvin Happy Bag here. I didn't know they had a Lanvin section in Fenwick. That is pretty cool. So guys, if you haven't seen my Farfetch video yet, go and check it out, because I got this bag in a very unique special material. So this is the mini size, just like mine. I love those bags. I love those bags. Did you get the pink or the blue one? I know a lot of people actually said they're gonna buy one. Plus some Lady Dior beauties. And they are in pretty good condition, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's go and meet my friend now. And guys, for anybody who's gonna say, Romina, why are you filming at Chanel again? Obviously I won't be filming at Chanel Harrods anymore, guys, but we still have our passion for Chanel and that won't change. And of course I want to, you know, keep sharing the eye candy with you. And yeah, so of course, you know, I will always try my best to get you guys some footage to look at. And now it even had to start raining. How wonderful. I need to protect her. So while we're waiting for my friend, her train is late, I can at least show you a little bit of eye candy in the window displays already. We've seen this beautifully embroidered jacket in Paris. I mean, look at that. It's really, really stunning. And yeah, let's have a quick look at, wow, look at all the necklaces. Gorgeous. Is this part of the shirt or is that a belt on top? Not quite sure. And guys, hello, look at these tiny little ball bags. Yeah, not my thing. Oh wow. That, however, is very much my thing. Gorgeous. You don't want to know how much that costs. And that is a pretty cool outfit, right? If I would find something like that at Zara, I would buy it. And there we have a jacket as well, guys. It's a little bit difficult right now because it's literally raining and people are trying to shelter here. In front of Chanel, but at least I could show you a little bit of eye candy. And guys, look at this top. I wasn't able to show you this earlier. Wow. It's full of camellia flowers. How amazing is that? And what do we think about these sequins outfits? We've seen them in Paris before as well. They must be really heavy, to be honest. I have a dress full of sequins and it's so heavy. This is really nice. They made a bag, a classic flap with those silverish sequins as well. Ooh, guys, look at these tweed flaps. Wow, I've not seen them before. Have you? They are quite nice, even though they're red, and I usually don't like red. The special guest today is
Flossie Inside. Hello.
You have a YouTube channel as well.
Yes, I do.
So guys,
Flossie Inside.
I'm gonna link it in my description box below. Go and check her out. We're just queuing at Chanel now. We're gonna see what we get in kind of footage, because the Metiers collection is my favorite collection every year.
I'm looking forward to it actually.
Are you looking
I'm
for
actually
anything
looking forward to it.
specific?
I'd love to see if they actually have maybe a rectangular mini. I'm actually after a rectangular
And
mini.
show me your beauty there.
So I've got a square mini here with me today.
Beautiful
So-
color. We're both like purple.
Yeah, ooh, that's my favorite color as well.
Okay, so let's have a look. This is really cute, guys. I really like that one still. Oh yeah, they are new. This is the first time I'm seeing these shearling bags. It's like a little teddy bear, right?
It's really nice.
And It's really nice with the chain. I wonder though if the chain is gonna leave a mark, you know, on the at some point. Oh, but it's so flouncy, oh god. Oh wow, guys, they have it in green as well. Let's look at these ones. So pretty. This tiny little beauty, guys. Ooh, and there we have a metallic grey bag. Look at these beauties. This is the dark pink. This is the Barbie pink. I love it. I think Jacob and Jessie really like this pink as well. Gorgeous. Yes, they have my bags here too. And I did go to Paris for these bags. They have the pink teddy bear as well. I need to try that one on. Look at this pink teddy bear, guys. It feels so nice, right? And this is the bag. Wow. The color is really one of a kind. Flossie, tell me what you think. This is a really beautiful
It's very beautiful.
pink,
I actually love the color.
It would look awesome with your outfit because of
it's
the
actually
contrast.
twinning, you know.
Yeah.
That's nice actually. I really like it.
I mean, seeing it in person now, it is gorgeous. And they actually brought out a lot of these bags
A lot.
in this color. Okay, so here we have the teddy bear. It hangs pretty low, right?
Very low.
I wonder if you can, I think you can't remove the strap.
No, you can't.
It's like,
it's literally stuck on there.
and if you wear it crossbody, I think it doesn't look that great.
No.
I wish you could actually take the strap off.
And then just hold it as a top handle.
Exactly. Okay guys, so let's have a quick look inside. Oh, it is gorgeous. It feels so soft and lovely. Guys, the soft pink. So pretty with my little ring. And also... Okay, I just met Chrissy. Hi, and you're on holiday here.
I am
And you're from the US.
from the US.
Did you buy anything?
I haven't bought anything yet,
Okay,
so
did
just
you have your
started.
eye? Guys, look at these beautiful pieces. And there we have this little cute bag. Just a quick overview before they stop. Oh wow, Metiers, guys. Look at these sleeves. Look at this teeny tiny little boy bag. Wow, they bring them out still. This beautiful bag. And also this is the red metallic color. Gorgeous, right? It's like a fluffy little, oh, another teddy bear, a little poodle. Hello guys. So Flossie, tell me what you're wearing today.
Okay, my top is actually from Zara.
My dress is from Zara.
We
High
love
five.
Zara.
We
And
do.
then my trousers is actually mango. I love mango. It's beautiful, nice, airy. And then of course
Amazing.
I've got my
We both got our purple
Chanel.
beauties
Love purple.
today. Flossie wanted to get me into trainers. I was like, nope. These are rather my style. It's Louis Vuitton time. Anything from Louis Vuitton on your wish list?
I'm not sure, but I'm looking forward to their new collection. It's
Yeah,
very colorful.
it is. I mean, look at this guy's new collection. It looks like a towel, right? It is a towel actually, and the Neverfull does feel like a towel as well. They're quite beachy as well. Pretty cool. Wow, this is the first time we're seeing Stardust right now. And the colors are gorgeous. They're a little bit more iridescent in real life, right? It doesn't come across like this. Wow. Look at this, guys. And let's get a close-up of this. Wow, okay. Unfortunately, I think my camera isn't capturing the beauty of this. It has a slight iridescent shine. Very nice. Not too much new stuff, guys. And these are nice. Why is it so empty, Flossie? It's Saturday and it's like we're the only ones here. Yeah. Pretty new. I still like this one a lot. The papillon trunk.
It's different.
Yeah, it's definitely nice. No, I've said it several times, Flossie. I love this thing.
Oh, that's cute.
Guys, look at these new totes. They are actually massive. I think they are rather comparable to a Neverfull GM. They're really, really, really big. They're massive, right?
It's a beach bag.
Yeah. And there we have like little bucket bags. That's a teeny tiny one though.
Really tiny. This is a card holder.
Yeah, and you said it comes in pink as well?
Yeah, they've got it in pink.
Oh. Quick stop at Dior, guys. How pretty is this? She just found the other eye catcher.
Yeah.
Is the light flickering on your phone as well? Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it always happens at Dior.
This is nice.
And wow, look at these with the little Swarovski crystals. And oh my god, this is gorgeous. And there we have more exotics. And look at this tiny, tiny one. So pretty. Look at this. You look amazing. That's perfect for the beach.
Yes, definitely. I'm feeling good.
It looks really good on you. Orange. Very bright neon orange. Not for me. This is also not for me, guys. I have to be honest. Not my style. I wouldn't spend thousands on this. Get the teeny tiny little bags. Love this pink. That's very similar to the reissue we just tried on, right? And they are another little blue beauty. Wow, it is very bold. Oh guys, I know I always want to only buy bags when my phone fits in, but I kind of think you can put your phone in like upwards. Just came into the home section and I was saying to Flossie, how can somebody leave their chocolate macaron and not eat it? Quick look at the custom jewelry. Look at these ones again. I love those oil slick ones. Seen them in Paris, love them. Oh, they are quite nice as well. If you get a Lady Dior, you want a beautifully beaded one.
Beautifully beaded one, a
An
limited
embroidered
edition
one.
Yes,
Good choice.
limited.
Just went into a mess and all the people are here. The other shops are empty. Look at this gorgeous color. All of these are in ostrich. Absolutely stunning. Usually it says like display only, it doesn't say it here. Does it mean you can in theory buy them?
I think that's like ostrich, right?
Yeah, it's ostrich, yeah. Look at these gorgeous pieces. And actually, this little bag down there mostly comes with silver hardware. This one has gold hardware. I love it. So Flossie's SA here at MS is really lovely. I really need to talk to him probably about getting a Birkin. He actually got you a Birkin, right, Flossie?
Yes.
The only thing you bought before getting a Birkin. Well, that's a success story, right? Well, guys, to hear that gives me hope.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Met somebody else, guys. Daria. Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
What are you doing today here?
Well, I'm looking for some shoes and bags.
Ah, some shoes. Hunting for Birkin, hunting for Kelly. Maybe. When you're meeting the nicest people today, huh?
We have been. You're very popular. Very, you're a celebrity.
A little refreshment. We're still waiting for our appointment, and I've seen they have the mini Evelyn here, and my sister-in-law is actually looking for these bags, so I feel like I need to send it to her now so that she knows, you know, they're here, at least in these colors. I don't know if you can actually buy them, if they're just for display, but she's been trying for a while to find one of these. First time I see somebody else with this bag out and about. Black one is nice too, huh? Wanted to drop into Fendi, but there's a waiting list, even though nobody is queuing and you can't really get in. But Flossie just spotted this one. Flossie just introduced me to her lovely MSSA. And to be honest, I can't believe you only bought a perfume and then he offered you a Birkin.
Honestly, yeah. Well, I have hope, big hope that you're gonna get one.
Yeah.
Watch out for an unboxing very soon.
Hopefully. If I just said it to her, like honestly, if I get one now, it's thanks to you.
You will get it. I believe so. I believe you will.
Let's hope.
honestly.
So
Yeah,
tell
you
me a
will.
little bit about your channel. You do mostly luxury as
So
well?
I do it's more fashion content. So I do cover luxury. I do my luxury unboxing because we love our luxury handbags, shoes, and
She
stuff.
has lovely style, guys. Like go check out her Zara
Yeah,
stores and everything.
I love fashion.
I mean, look
colors,
how-
colors, love colors.
Guys, Selfridges next. Hello, that looks good. Ready for summer holidays?
Yes.
Look at this. I love it. I think that would be something for you with all the
Yes,
stones,
that's
right?
really, like,
But it
literally-
ripped my dress apart.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to be really careful. I was only trying it on. Guys, a little close up. Beautiful. That one, because like it's so, you have all the stones on the back side as well. And unfortunately it's dangerous. Oh wow, guys. I've only seen them online so far. Look at this beautiful little ring. Stunning. That's from the fine jewelry section. Love this tote as well. Really gorgeous. That's Flossie's test for bags. Does it fit her phone? Look at all this shimmer, guys. Ooh. Gorgeous. Yeah. Look at all these couple scenes. This is new with a little handle. Really, yes, yeah, the handle is amazing, right? Absolutely gorgeous. A close-up of Stardust. Can you see how iridescent it is? Yes, absolutely stunning. Which color do you prefer? That one or that one?
Do you know what? I think that one is beautiful.
It's beautiful. This one shows the effect more,
Yeah,
right?
this one shows the standard
Yeah. Stardust. Yes, yeah, it's part of the Stardust collection as well. This is the never full version. It's very plain, right? It really looks like a little brooch, right?
I love this bag.
Somebody else vlogging. So yeah, it's a nice little bag. Oh, I mean, this one is basically the same color as your mini rectangular. Try this one on. Yes. Show me, go a little bit backwards. Yeah, perfect. It looks good. It's a perfect summer bag. I know we're going back soon to talk to Dina, but look at these tiny little bags. Can we see? What can you fit in there? Earpods and that's it?
Airports.
Yeah. Poodle shoes, guys. Nope, not for me. Can't believe they still have some of the rainbow shoes. So this is the other metallic leather I have my reissue in, and I've never had any problems with this kind of material yet. Mach and Mach, how do you pronounce it? You know? Love them. Chanel at Selfridges, guys. And I know a lot of people want to buy this cardigan, and a lot of YouTubers have actually bought it. It is stunning. Yes. Yes. They made it in black as well. The red is actually quite nice. It's a nice burgundy red, guys. And look at these shoes. Beautiful classic Chanel skirt suit. And another boy bag. You don't see boy bags that often anymore, do you? We still have those cage bags. They are 17,000, guys. 17,000. I only know that Trisha Paytas bought one of these. These little bags, guys, with the enamel. Yeah, pretty. They even have some Lanvin bags here in Harrods. And oh wow, can we see that tiny little stone? It's a So Black cat bag, amazing. And a Batman bag. Do we like that one? Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out Flossie's channel.
Yeah.
Exactly, I'm gonna link everything. And yeah guys, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same
Obsession.
luxury disease. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye! And after a long day, I need a hot chocolate too. Cheers!